Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to see linked accounts on your Steam. In order to do this, first of all, open your Steam application. After opening it, click on the Steam icon at the top left corner. Now click on Settings on this menu. This is going to open up this Steam settings page. Under this, select Account. Now navigate to the Account Details page by clicking on this pencil icon. When you click on that pencil icon, it will open up this Account Details page. On this page, you'll have to just scroll at the bottom, and in the bottom, you will see Family Settings section. Click on Manage Family Library Sharing. When you click on this option, this will open up this page. Family Library Sharing allows selected accounts to use your game library on authorized computers while you're not playing. You can authorize up to 10 computers at the same time. For more information, you can click on Support FAQ option link that you see here, and this will open up all the things about this page. So, we are going to go back and you will see that no computer has been authorized for family library sharing yet. So no account has been linked to this account on my page. Also, under this section, you can see no account has been authorized for family or library sharing yet. So I don't have any account linked to this Steam account. And that's a simple way you can see your linked accounts on Steam. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.